turayibona teacher.
Okay. So ni ukuvuga hano turi ubwa mbere na mbere dukoreshe range ya ryari, dukoreshe range y'ukwe ya week. Ni ukuvuga ubwa mbere na mbere muribuka turiko dukoresha iyi range yo ngaha. Ni ukuvuga narababwiye ubwa mbere na mbere ikintu ca mbere mushaka gukora, urashaka kuba ufita range ukoresha urabiramo. Ni ukuvuga wewe muri iyo range niho haba hari iki, niho haba hari amantuzi yose uziga kuja gukoresha, niho aza kuba kuvuga ibyo uza kugira byose uza kubiraga ugeze muri iyo range. Kuvuga point ya mbere twavuze yuko tubanza twiga range kuvuga rero iyo range yahereye kuyi high igera kuyi low. So ni ukuvuga iki rero hano muri no range turaraba ibintu bibiri, turaba inefficiency. Ubwa kabiri hano tuza tukaraba inefficiency ni ukuvuga point ya kabiri turaba inefficiency nande na liquidity. Ni ukuvuga tumenye izo liquidity turaba point, kuvuga kuva kuri low twakoze turakora high hano hejuru, mu nyuma tukora low hama dukora another high, this one here. So ni ukuvuga this is the structure that we have made into this range. Ni kuvuga iki rero hano, imbere yuko tuze gukora ivyo bindi byose, murabe hano dushaka kubona this high here, this high yaduhaye iki, yaduhaye break of structure, break of structure ya hano hejuru. Hano munsi naho duca tugira another low here. So I want to use some kind of replay kugira ngo dushobore kurabira hamwe some parts important topic. So ni ukuvuga hano dufita this market imeze like this. So ni ukuvuga hano hariho parti tugiye kurabira hamwe ya candlestick theory. Turaba ukuntu washobora kumenya that candlestick, how the next candle, when you are predicting the next candle uko ubikora. Ni ukuvuga iki rero hano, this candlestick dufate ko this is candlestick tugiye gukoresha. Ni ukuvuga muribuka all this theory uko twabibonye. So muribuka ndababwira yuko every time when you are trading you need to know those three topics. It's four, normally it's four. This is the high, and this is the open. Open here. No, this is the open. high open hama munsi tukagira iki tukagira ya close hano is the close hama tukagira low. So iyi ni candlestick yande, ni candlestick ya high time frame tugiye kwiga ko turaba how it will happen. So nukuvuga iki rero hano ugerageje kuraba hano dufise this candle ya reference ni hano this one, here ikagira na low yayo hano. So nukuvuga iki, urabona ko party yayo hejuru yamaze kugira market yamaze gutradinga hejuru y'ino candlestick. Dushaka kugira candlestick izakugurira ngaha n'imiburiburi ikabreakinga below ikaza kugara below y'ino candlestick kugira ngo movement ya downtrend izobe bibaye valid. Tuza gutargeting iki this liquidity, iyi niyo liquidity tuza gutargeting. So nukuvuga iki rero, nababwiye igihe tuba turatradinga this model dushaka kumenya inefficiency ahiri na liquidity ahiri. Inefficiency nukuvuga iki, nukuvuga muri no range ukuntu tuza kubikora, tuza gukoresha ya Fibonacci yacu kugira ngo tumenye area tuza gukoreramo buy na area tuza gukoreramo sell. Nababwiye ni area yande ya discount level niyo area tuza gukoreramo buy, this area kuvuga area discount ni hano specific level ni ya 0.25 niyo hano. So nukuvuga iki rero hano murabona turaraba below 50% nkuko musanzwe mubizi, this is the rule ko twama tubigenza. Niyo area nimba muzi ama setup dukunze gufata ishobora kumara umwanya muremure, ni setup iba yabereye muri zino area, yabereye munsi ya 50% kandi ikaba yakuyemo liquidity. Nukuvuga iyo nico twita turtle soup theory, nukuvuga dukuramwo iyi liquidity hano hama tukaza kugera muri PDRA ikurikira. Nukuvuga iki rero hano turabona munsi y'ino liquidity dufise iki, hano hariho fair value gap kandi hano hasi hariyo another fair value gap. So nukuvuga tuca tumakinga this fair value gap here. So this fair value gap hano nukuvuga iki rero bimaze kugenda uku tugiye kuraba if we confirmed this move here, move ya hano yo kuri drop, turabe the next candle uko byagenze. So as you see, raba hano this candle yugariye munsi ya open ya neck ya candlestick koko dukoresha ya range. Nukuvuga iki hano rero byamaze kugaragara, we are not going to trade at this level, we are not going to trade back here. Dushaka kuza kurondera liquidity zirino munsi. Nukuvuga iki ngaha rero, there is a point I showed you last time telling you about swing point. So nukuvuga swing point ibigizwe niki, swing point igizwe na high zitatu. Nukuvuga ni intermediate short term high, ishobora kuba na long term high bivanye n'ukuntu iyo ntuzeye bivanye na chart uri kurakorerako. So nukuvuga iki rero, ona dufite high at the both side nkuko nabiberetse tuba dufite high at the both side ariyo ya high ya mbere ariyo yi hano kandi murabona twamaze gukora iki twamaze gukora ya shift tumanukana itwereka muri ino movement ino candlestick twamaze kugira hano kuri breaking bisigura yuko the next candle will be bearish ico cyo cy'ukimenya whenever we cross below this candle range nubwo even this one the previous candle to close in the below it urabona twakuyemo high yayo kandi low ya previous day twayikuyemo hano urabona hano low ya previous day twayikuyemo nkuvuga imaze kuvamo. This means that we are going to do what? We are going to trade lower. We are going to trade lower, targeting this level here. This level here. Murabe happens. See now, the next candle just drops lower. We are closing. Turiko twegereza ya level hano. Just see already done. Nukuvuga twageze muri ya fair value gap. Nukuvuga iki rero hano twageze muri fair value gap. Another point is where are we going? Ko twamaze kugera muri ya fair value gap hano, but we don't know if you are going to target this level here. Nukuvuga iki iyi level yo hano hejuru nigisigaye ari target. Isigura iki hano bishaka kuraba how we move from here ko tuza kugenda tuva muri ino tugenda tuva muri iyo fair value gap. Just see, you see the candlestick opens. Turabe the next candle ko byagenze rero nukuvuga iki tumaze kugira another range ya candle nukuvuga kuva kuri no high no candle like this and this one. So iyi niyo range rero dufite hano. This is the range that we have here. Iyi niyo range isenga. So bisigura iki rero? So mukurikire neza murabe turabe how it played to get back here hejuru yino candle. Urabona we are coming back where muri ya range ya candlestick muri ya range. So nukuvuga iki rero ngaha nukuvuga twamaze gukuramo ya high yande ya range nukuvuga hano indani already here twasize hiki twasizeyo fair value gap. Already you can see there is a fair value gap here. Nukuvuga kuva kuri no low there's a fair value gap here, no candlestick, this one and this one here. So iyi price ya weekly ntabwo twe dukoresha daily canke duhereye he muri higher time frame. Duhereye muri higher time frame. So bisigura ko will go lower tugende kuri higher time frame ya daily turabe what really was happening at this level. Turabe koko ko twamaze kuba dufita direction ubu twamaze kuyironka. Nukuvuga iki rero aha ubu bwa mbere dufita ino range. Ubu rero ubu dufita another candle happens this one. Marking a low yayo kuko iyi niyo range ya weekly. Niyo range zo tradinga indwi yose za tradinga inside this candle. Urabe what will happen inside this one. So turakomeza tugenda turabe the candle No, the low was not this one. The low is here. So ni ukuvuga iki rero hano dushaka kumenya whether we will close below here. Dushaka kumenya nimba koko tuzakurinda below hano. Vuga hano dushaka gutegera candle. So dushaka gutegera market ikazokugarira munsi ya low y'ino candle. Ino candle nizoduha direction nimba dukenera kumanuka, nimba dushaka ko tuzomanukana n'iyi price, dushaka kubona candlestick ije igaclosinga below the trading around here, something like this, igakora ibintu nk'ibi. Ni ukuvuga igaclosinga below y'ino low iyi candlestick iri mubona hano. So let's see what happened. Tumenye yuko we are going to target again this level. Kuvuga iki dushaka kumenya nimba twugariye inside here the next candle tukugarira hano tuta trading the below here, it will mean that we are going to target this level. So kurikira murabe how that candle that close. Okay, you see now what happened. Murabona tumaze kugira let me zoom out kugira ngo mubibone neza. Just follow. Tuko twiga candlestick theory, ukuntu candlestick washobora kuyikoresha uraba ukuntu yugaye n'ukuntu upredictinga the next candle. So nukuvuga iki rero hano tumaze kugira another candle. Nukuvuga iki nababwiye yuko dushaka kugira candlestick iza kugarira below here. Vuga dushaka kugira candlestick izokugarira hano just below this level, izokugarira ngaha kugira ngo market ikomeze imanuka iza gutargetinga this level here. Nukuvuga iki rero ubwa mbere iyo gahunda izo yamaze gupfa. We already closed above this level here. Not yet, but let me see if you have closed above it. Let me see. What? Do you see now? Nukuvuga iki hano murabona we had already taken out that level. Bariko turavuga yuko iyi candlestick itegerezwa kuzogira kuzoduga. Murabona ukuntu bino bintu bikora. Nukuvuga iki rero ubundi turamaze kugira ya level ya candlestick, turamaze kugira another candlestick. Kuvuga this urabona ntabwo twugariye ino munsi, ibyo twashaka kubona mbwa nta byabaye. Bitabaye murabona what happened, the candlestick closed inside here. Bisigura yuko this was a very nice move yuko tugiye gutargetinga another level ya liquidity no hejuru. So ukuvuga iki rero hano we got another candle ifite high hano. And we got another candle here. Kuvuga this one, let's make it black. Like this. So in this one ni ukuvuga iki rero hano dushaka kuraba yuko we can get, so ni ukuvuga iki ngaha rero, what you see now twamaze gukuramo this level, twamaze gukuramo this liquidity yari iri hejuru, and again another thing that has happened, dufite zino low hano, all these lows here. Mwitegereze neza murabe just see, ndashaka murabe neza. Let me add something so that you can see it very well. Kuvuga this level here, so no kuvuga murabe neza these three levels, these three lows here, kuvuga this low here and this low here and this low here. So ibi biduha iki, biduha idea yuko this may be our next target on liquidity, kuko murabona twamaze gukuramo liquidity at the upper side, kuvuga twamaze gukuramo liquidity kuri upper side hejuru. Murabona we have this level here, kuvuga rero dusigaranye iyo ngaha hepfo, and again another level that we have ni iyo ngaha munsi nyine, kandi munsi yayo iyo candlestick, get those points we were talking about.
Mali and Niger. In Nigeria's legal Abuja, a decision was made to give the three countries 6 months to reconsider their decision to withdraw from ECOWAS. The nations have ruled out returning to the bloc, which they condemned as subservient to ex-colonial ruler France. Dallas Mother has more from Abuja.
Dominated the discussion during Sunday's meeting in Abuja. The leaders of the regional bloc are saying that they've been making efforts to ensure that they readmit these countries, but that the mediation has also not yielded any positive impact. And they've been, they mandated the presidents of Senegal and Togo speak to the three.
So nukuvuga rero hano we have this level here. This is a weekly level, and this one here. So nukuvuga iki rero hano tugomba turabe muri 1 day. So as you can see here, dushaka kubona iki, dushaka kubona so ndashaka kubereka the same thing that has happened here. It's what has happened to that point, ijya point tuvuyeko yo kuri weekly. Ono dufite a long week hano, so iyo dufite a long week we need to measure it, turabe the 50% of this week, what it has to happen, what it has to be. So nukuvuga it's just here. So dushaka kuraba muri daily, turaba these points. So nkuko mubona hano we have this high here. Today muri daily we don't get the clear.
The alliance countries of Mali, Burkina Faso, and Niger, if they will yield the mitigation efforts.
So something like this. Urabona dufite long week hano hejuru 50% is here. So ni ukuvuga 50% ni hehe ni ngaha. Hama ni ukuvuga hano rero niho haboneka za pattern zacu. Ni ukuvuga twe dushaka kubona another candle, ni ukuvuga iyi candlestick yakoze yaduze no hejuru ubibona and closed around here. Ni ukuvuga iki hano dushaka kuraba nimba tuzoronka another move up here kugira ngo turabe ko twashobora kugira n'inzira tumanuka tuza gutargetinga this level. Kuko murabona dufite iyi long week, this long week can not leave left like that. Tuje kuri daily turabe if we got something like that. So ni ukuvuga muri daily we didn't get that clear move from that level. Come we wanna just see weekly. Twageze the candle didn't get back here, but it just pumped here muri 0.25 kuva muri kota yayo. So ntabwo yabaye ikigaruka hano kuri muri daily ntabwo yagarutse, but you can see how we can find this level here. Ni ukuvuga iki rero ngaha, ni ukuvuga ubwa mbere you see what did we have here. Twari dufite iki hano, ni ukuvuga ubwa mbere urabona this candle tukagira ni candle iyi ni premium fair value gap, ni fair value gap yabereye muri premium level, this one.
That the solution will come as the president still in Angola up to now, even though Kagame did not make it a move in Angola, but the delegation from the both side still there, and they are hoping that solution will overcome from this situation in order to stop the ongoing situation here.
So ni ukuvuga twice dushaka kumenya hano where we wanted to enter, aho twashaka kwinjira, it was just inside this fair value gap. Nkuko mubibona ni fair value gap ino candle, iyi hamwe n'iyi kandi are only those three candles that gave us this inversion fair value gap. So murabibona how it goes, it dropped heavily and heavily. So ni ukuvuga iki rero ngaha, another thing that happened ni ukuvuga ya low ya candle, ya low ya weekly ni iyi hano, hama tukafita n'iyi low. Let's go back to weekly. Kuvuga low ya weekly n'iyi low, hano dufite zino low zibiri hano. Iki rero ngaha hano niho tuzoza turonderera another second.
He has been in a gang since he was 12. His father was killed 2 years ago. He's too ill to take care of him.
Killed my friend, father, my uncle. So I'm fighting for revenge. I shouldn't be in a gang, but this is all we have in Haiti. We're hoping to control the airport.
So ni ukuvuga, let's see.
UNICEF says child recruitment has increased 70% in the past year.
That low, yeah, weekly, just this one here. Let's look, this one here. On a kuri daily market yaragize yarigarutseko, this one.
The police in the fight against gangs. Dilari, 10 years old, an orphan. He says the gangs have given him a purpose.
The chief treats us well. He trusts us with the money we save for him and gives us everything we need. Maybe I should have been in school, but it's not our fault. The government is responsible, and that's why we've taken up arms.
Children in Haiti are struggling with food education, now extremely vulnerable to improvement. They use all at any means. Yeah. In threaten child and their family if they refuse to come and join. They will promise food and security. In other cases, they try. They are.
So this is another uptrend that is happening.
Difficult for international applications. Are much more difficult. And much more complicated.
Next level is this one here.
Recently, children have now taken a crucial role on the front line. Al Jazeera. A French official says several hundred children have now taken a crucial role on the front line. Al Jazeera. A French official says several hundred people are hit dead after Cyclone Cheeto.
So now, come on, just here, up here, what do we have here? We have this fair gap. Antibaza twahageze ryari mubona turaba turi kumwe like this. Okay. Again, what we have here, we have this favor gap. I'm using a daily chart. Using daily charts.
The ceiling of the operation blew away. We found ourselves facing experience.
The same theory. This favor gap here. Have broken below this one, but crossing inside this range, this first range here.
Former footballer Mikhail Kavlich was the only candidate on the list.
You see, we have crossed above the other range here. Price traded above here. Kuvuga, we have this daily high and this one. You see, we have taken out this one. So like this, trade above this, and this one left this one here. So we need to see if we can come back here and again go up. Let's see what we see now. The same thing that happened is the same as you see. You see this murabona ino movement yagarutse hano yabaye bigenze gute? Yabaye twakuyemo high hano, twakuyemo iyi high yi candle. Bisigura ko this candle was an inside day, but this one we have closed above this one. Closing above the high yi. Bisigura ko the next candle we are going to liquidity, we are going to come back below this level. Candlestick yasigaye no hasi. And again, you see here, see, trade above it, but not below it. See, and again, trade below this previous daily candle. You see, if I'm going to write some notes about this one. Ko iyi yari reso ikomeye cyane hano, but we need to take it easily. So,
Didn't look like it would go that way at first. Oscar Guardiola's goal on 36 minutes had it sitting
something like this. So nukuvuga iki rero hano, ibi bimaze kuba, umaze kubona things like this are happening.
Not sure new coach Ruben Amorim's That's exactly what they do others.
So kuvuga hano murabona neza what really was happening. Kuvuga igihe cyose murabe neza candlestick ku yindi, murabe candlestick ku yindi, ni kuvuga hano this candlestick ya closinze the next day ya trading below it, nizo trading below it hama iraza inakuramwo na another high. Ni kuvuga this thing here murabe hano this is the same as which one? Ni kuvuga iyi ni opposite y'iyi. Ni kuvuga ubwa mbere murabe hano iyi yakuyemo below this one, hama du trading hejuru, hama iyi nayo ni kuvuga yakuyemo high yongera ikuramo. Iyi ni ya double page theory, imwe twita double page theory. Dusigaranye this low, turasigaranye another low which is and taken out this low here hamwe n'iyi high ngaha hejuru. So kuvuga we need to see what will happen inside this one. Kuvuga ikirero ngaha twamaze ku closing below here. Let's see if we will take out this one, kuko nta yindi level dusigaranye nizizo hejuru. Mugabo murabona twamaze ku closing below this previous day candle. Just see is theory. What do you see now? Murabona byaciye bigenda kwa kundi nyene. We have traded below this level here. Za liquidity zose twari dusigaranye ino munsi twongera turakora na retest y'iyi previous daily range hano. Gusa iyo ntacitwaye. So nukuvuga iki rero hano, the next target has to be this one. Biragaragara neza, there's nothing else that you need to do. Nothing remain here. Is this level here. That is the next target. Ntabindi, this gonna be the next target. Just see. What do you see now? Target reached, and again, full hejuru. So now where are we going? So kuvuga dusigaranye iki? Dusigaranye high iyo hejuru, this high here. Dusigaranye this high here. So turabe if we're gonna take out that one, or kuraba ukuntu twiga range y'ino candle. Kuvuga this candle dushaka kumenya mu guplaninga the next candle ukuntu biza kugenda. Dushobora kuba dufita all this level mark, kuvuga high na low this candle. Kuvuga iyi maze kuba dushaka kumenya yuko if we trade below this level, just like this, market kagirane iga closing below it, kuvuga tumaze closing below it, closing below your previous candle.
In terms of zero,
So kuvuga hano bisigura ko you need to have in mind that the Fed candle will be bearish. It will be bearish. So you need to know, ushaka kumenya where is the next level ya liquidity.
family injured in the military also killed
Okay, this gonna be key level.
Israel.
Uvuga ya key level murazi ni ya previous daily high or whatever ya yo yose canke point yose ubona muriho point uzi ko yashobora kuba target yawe murazi twarabonye point you need to expect like so another topic is this one. So you can have something like this with this candle. It's the same candle. So 3 points show community. This candle is going to go up. It starts like this. So nukuvuga the high
I see my country, inshallah, going to a better place.
so nukuvuga dushaka kuraba if this candle is going this one, if this candle is not going to close something like this, nimba iyi candlestick itazo trading below izo trading below it like this, take out this one, this will be something like this, like a bullish candle, something like this. So and again be this one. So you need to know that the Fed candle gonna be bullish, targeting this high here. Something like this. This is what will happen.
This speech should happen. People should do what they love. This is a slice of life of Syria where one young man, we were driving through and he said,
so nukuvuga the candle, this candle closed
and it's a frame or a checkpoint where we will be arrested. So this is what life looks like from Damascus on day one of the new week where people have started going back.
below previous candle. Previous candle. Kuvuga the next candle. Yes, you see what happened for this next candle.
Gathering outside the court. They're trying to begin the process like that.
Bearish. So murabibona the next candle has to be bearish. Kubera iki this one here? Kuko twugariye munsi yande munsi ya previous candle like this. So at this point here, kuri another point hano.
To restore ex-military men outside, they are welcome. There's nothing at all, nothing but safety and security.
Already surrendered. Plan to help reintegrate soldiers from SS Army. Now issuing temporary identification cards to those seeking clarification on their status. The new administration has said that any person who has not committed a war crime is welcome to rejoin society. Those accused of committing torture will be prosecuted and brought to justice.
What we're trying to do is to try and accommodate.
So see now what happened to this candle.
The delicate balance.
Still remain in the country, to the new administration for answers on the role they'll play in the new theory.
The new the importance of
Next candle, what?
that is
Bullish.
also called the Justice and the Jadira. The UN Special Envoy to Syria is in Damascus in a push to advance the political transition
So,
process.
mukibaza hano, you can see what really happens nuko bigenda muri markets. So you need to take these things ushaka gutahura this part kuko this is the simple way you can predict the next candle. This is the simple way you can predict the next candle. So it depends on where this level happens. Nikuvuga ushaka kuraba what happens nukuntu biba byagenze. So nikuvuga iki hano nubwo twagaruka muri chat hano tukaraba just here.
70% of the population needs humanitarian aid and 90% lives in the large cities of Aleppo, Hama,
So murabe hano raba iyi candlestick twugariye hejuru twugariye ntitwugaye but we traded above it trading above it munyuma turagaruka. It means that we are still bullish kuko ntabwo turaza kugarira munsi yande munsi y'iyi low. So the next candle opened here, we are trading below ye because we have traded above this one kandi tugaruka kugara inside this one. It means that tujye kugara inside iyi daily range bisigura ko tuzogaruka tugakuramo iyi low ya liquidity. Murabe hano kuri iyi, you see we traded above here. We almost closed above it and trade above this one. And liquidity and again come to trade inside your range. Chukime na he, chukime na hano. Kuko twagarutse du trading inside the range, this candle twaje dukuramo low yayo. Sinzi ko kano kantu mukabona murabe hariho similarity, hari ukuntu bigomba gusa. Urabe hano ni kuvuga range dufise ni iyi hano. We have this range here and this one. Hama urabona twatradinze hejuru tugaruka inside ya range. Nikuvuga iki, the low will be the target kuko twavuye hejuru. Come here, come to this one. Nikuvuga this daily range here. Nikuvuga turacafita ubwa mbere turacyari muri ya range. Iyi range iyi hamwe n'iyi low twatradinze hejuru but we didn't. We come to take out the low. So dukuyemo low, what happened? Turacyari muri range dushaka gutargetinga this high. This will be the next target kuko ntabwo tuzogaruka ino kandi tugifise iyindi high ino. Dushaka tugirane kumenya this is in the target. Gumaze gutradinga. So look now, iyavuyemo but we still have another level just below here. This level here turaigarukako. This is the same part. This is the part that we were learning. Ukuvuga it's like this. Ni ya hano it's the same. Iyi ni hamwe iyi ni. Ukuvuga iyi move yagarutse n'indani. It was to go like this. Ukuvuga ni hano like this and this. But this will go back to the but what I need to show you was how you can predict the next candle ukoresheje this theory. Kuvuga raba hano uko byagenze. We closed above this one. Hano we closed above it. Target closed above it, and again we closed. You see the low and the high, the open and the close. See, hano, we almost crossed below it, but we didn't. You see, but it was showing us that it's coming down. Kurabona, we have already crossed below the open. Where it goes. Okay, so ndibaza hano murabona what we are talking about, just murabona ukuntu bigize ukuntu bimeze. Nukuvuga hano we don't have a clear setup where we can say that it will reverse to shock reversing inside here muri no volume imbalance cyangwa kuri no equilibrium level y'ino consolidation. Gusa icyo tuzi neza, tuzi ko target ari ino level yo hasi, this low here. This is the target. Target has to be this one. But this have to be the target. Hama turabe kuko you see cash most of the time you do trading inside this the big fair value gap. Hama hitugere nimwe buri 50% yayo, we have to retest this level. Kuvuga hano uzosanga tugarutse muri no fair value gap 50% yayo, amatu tubone gusubira hejuru, something like this.
Target of the area. That yield at least 43. UN says almost 70% of its girls are school.
Dushaka kuraba how we come back to this fair value gap. Kuvuga na hano turafita inversion fair value gap hano. Can wait and see what market will give us here.
Israel have raided the Jenin refugee camp in the occupied West Bank, exchanging gunfire with fighters. The camp has
Okay.
been strong.
So guys, I wish you so before we finish, reka ufite ikibazo arababaze and then tumenye ibintu dushaka kugirana, dushaka kubikora. Umuntu afite ikibazo abaze, umuntu afite ikibazo arabe abaze.
A 19-year-old
Umuntu afite ikibazo abaze.
Jenin refugee camp has been the epicenter of Israeli Russian 15-year-old pursuing a Jenin attack.
Arcade,
The Jenin refugee
Yes.
camp
hari ikibazo ufite?
Oya, nta kibazo mfise, usibye ko nyene ikigo cy'uno munsi mbona kiri très intéressant. Mais après nk'umuntu amaze kugisubiramo nka kabiri cyangwa gatatu, ndabona ikigo cy'uno munsi kirakomeye vraiment kandi c'est très intéressant.
Okay, so mwakoze cyane kuba mwakurikirana no mwanya mwaje muri bake, but it doesn't matter. Igikuru nuko bo wahageze hama ukabona ico warushaka kuronka, hama ibisigaye navyo tuzogenda turabira mu. This is one of the approach you can use. Ukuvuga uyikoresha hamwe na ziga zindi theory dusanzwe dufise ziga fair value gap, ziga liquidity. Ukuvuga it's the rule about the candlestick, nukuntu ushobora kumenya how candlestick can happen, how ziga behavior ziba ziriko zirakora. It can tell you what will happen next. Nika kurya ushobora kugira shockment, so ukabyuka uzi neza ko that day you are going to be bullish or you are going to be bearish. So if you know that you are going to be bearish, it's like this. Let me show you. Let's go back to this one. So if you know that the next candle, candle Let me write it down here.
They want the enemy. We are not outlaws. We support the law. We enforce the law and the rule of law. The question is, whose law? When an Israeli chief enters Jenin city to arrest me, you as the law, where are you? Today we are confronting the settlers across all the cities in the West Bank. They want Jenin to be disarmed. In short, no one can disarm Jenin. Our compass is clear, only against the occupation and nothing else. Our message is clear to everyone. For God's sake, let us be. We want to fight the Israelis. The vehicle that exploded near the special police was actually a car that was impounded 2 months ago. Although they accused us of the incident, our brigade commander condemned and denounced that incident in a press conference. It's impossible and unthinkable for our own people. Speaking about the Palestinian Authority security went to the camp. They would be 100 meters away from the
So ni ukuvuga iyo uzi neza ko wabonye yuko the next candle is going to be bullish, ushaka kumenya yuko uzoronderera buy below ya opening day. Ni ukuvuga will buy below here. If you know that the candle is going to be bullish, the area is that buy below here, buy below the open.
A long week. Bisigura ko this was a manipulation. This is going to happen to manipulate the lower side kugira ngo market ziyongere izamuke. So nkuko mubibona hano turategereje yuko market ishobora kuzamuka igakuramo ino high kongera igakuramo ino high yo kuri 2770, igakuramo na high yo kuri 2789. Tuje kuri daily naho turabe what really was happening. So murabe neza ya area nabwiye yuko imbere yo kugira ngo ushobore gutahura neza this strategy, you need to have a higher time frame level as a reference. Raba uno murongo wa white wo kuri 2593 habaye iki? Ni kuri ya 50% yande ya week ya candlestick yo muri 1 month. Urabona habaye ya retracement igarukamwo muri ya ntuze muri ya candlestick yo muri 1 month. Nukuvuga iki rero hano cyo turaba PDR tuba dufite cyo turaba PDR tuba dufise igirane za kudufasha ku tradinga dusubira hejuru. Whenever market drops, it gives opportunity for buyers kugira ngo abaza guseringa baseringa hama, but there is something that's going to happen. Nukuvuga igihe cyose hazoba ndamaze kwikwirana cyane, I'm telling about my experience. Igihe cyose uzobona market yakoze iki, igihe cyose uzobona market yakoze drop iri significant, umenye yuko hagiye kuza another push bivanye n'ahantu yabereye. Kuvuga hano murabona the candlestick that has opened today iriko iragirana iraba bullish. Nukuvuga iki, we supposed to cross above or to trade above the high or the open of the previous candle. Nkuko mubibona twebwe muri inversion fair value gap munyuma twamaze kuzamuka turagenda nkuko mubibona. So ndibaza hano murabona where we coming from n'igihe twa tradinga iyo twako turava niyo twako turagana. So ndibaza kugera hano uca mubona where we are heading niyo turiko turagana. So raba hano, this is the move that tapped into that inversion fair value gap hano. just here. Hope you can see this one. This was the move, the first move. The second one, we get this fair value gap here. Market yarigarutsemo, yes. Imaze kwigarukamo what happened, vu hejuru. So nkuvuga iki rero hano, ndibaza, you can see how market is behaving. You can see what we have been learning all this time. So nkuvuga, you have to take time to backtest these things. You test it in the market. You just enter in the market, whether you use demo or use a fund account or whatever, but you need to use money. You need to use money while you are backtesting, not use demo. Because if you will urakoresha demo, you will never have that emotional feeling or that trigger about emotions. You need to be using a small live account, even though it can be a cent account, and just see what can happen. So have a good day. This was what I was about to show you this morning as a review of this trade and of this market, how it has been going. Hama mugire umunsi mwiza mwese. It's ICT Spartan, ndabakunda cyane. Mugire umunsi mwiza my Burundian community. Thank you so much.